Welcome back to another K&D training module. We'll continue our parting and sectioning technique, focusing on the front half of the head. Our goal here is symmetry, achieved by establishing a clean middle part foundation. We're working from the left side of the head. The right side has already been completed. Start your parting horizontally from the temple, using that crown part line as your guide. The rows that are formed from the arc parting at the crown become smaller as they move toward the edge line. That means you'll need to anticipate fewer boxes in this area. Notice the motion. While the goal is to create straight lines, remember the head is naturally curved. So as you part, it's okay to allow a slight curve to follow the client's natural shape. Take note of row 4. It's slightly thicker in width than its supporting rows below. This variation tends to occur and is normal. After you've defined your main rows, be sure to revisit them before locking in your boxes. You may need to adjust your lines slightly to ensure alignment and consistency. Now that we've realigned the rows, let's define the boxes within the grid. This is where we may use a slight amount of styling gel in order to clean our lines. The first row closest to the ear will typically have 2 boxes, sometimes 3, depending on the client's head size and shape. Each row above should follow a similar pattern to the back rows, increasing by 1 or 2 boxes as you move upward. The key is consistency in box size and placement. Keep this note in mind. The rows that we are creating here may offset from our crown guide, and that is okay as long as they align naturally. Along the edge line, it's critical to ensure there's enough hair to support each braid. This prevents tension, breakage, and long term damage. Protecting the client's hair health while maintaining structure is crucial. Finally, let's look at the top row that defines the middle part. There are 5 braids on one side of the part. In turn, there should be 5 braids on the other, perfectly symmetrical. If your boxes align on both sides, congratulations, you've achieved true symmetry in your sectioning.